Hey, what's up everybody? Today we are out here at Box Butte Reservoir just north of Hemingford, Nebraska, and we're going to do a little geocaching today. Tanea hasn't done any geocaching before, so this will be her first stab at it. There's supposed to be 4 of them hidden around this lake, so we'll see if she can find them.
Stop!
Jeez. A lot of dangerous animals out here on the geocaching trail. Now, for those of you who don't know what geocaching is, it's kind of a worldwide scavenger hunt, is the way I like to call it. So yeah, you just got to download the geocaching app, and if you look around you, I bet there's tons of geocaches that people have hid. So, kind of a good outdoor thing to do. I know we sure enjoy it. Or I do. We'll see if Tanea does after this. This is 0.2 miles. I don't know if that's going to show up on there or not. Probably not.
There's that bee!
Tanea's having a heck of a time with wildlife today. They're out to get her. 385 feet. And
I'm getting my Fitbit.
counting down.
Steps in.
Uh-huh.
Now we have to go down?
Uh-huh.
Seriously?
Uh-huh.
Oh my gosh. A bunch of stickers.
Okay. Where?
Look at my feet already. Those.
Are you saying we're not going after this geocache? Did we film all this for nothing?
Let's just go.
You're gonna get attacked by a bumblebee.
Come on!
What? What was that?
There's snakes out here. Ooh, shit.
What?
Watch out for those things.
Oh, we're getting close though. What? What?
There's just a lot of bees.
Where?
I can just hear them.
130 feet.
True. Babe, there's snakes out here. This thing better be out here. There's all those pokey things.
They actually poke you?
Yeah, I bet they are. They're everywhere.
Where?
They're all over. Let's go. We're done. We could just put this one as an epic fail.
Huh?
Grasshopper landed on me.
Oh, we just found out that the geocache below the dam is in fact below the dam, and not probably the best time of year to go out there. It's pretty overgrown with sunflowers and all kinds of pokey stuff. Yeah, a lot of bees, a lot of wasps, a lot of yellow jackets. So we're gonna bypass that one, as we got within about 30 feet. But I don't think we were gonna get to the geocache itself. So we are gonna pick one of these other ones and go after that.
I'm just saying, it could be like the Chainsaw Massacre. That's how they're gonna film their new movie, by geocache. They're gonna lead people out to the middle of BFE like they did us just now, and then that's how they would have killed us. If we would have got it, it would have pulled their trigger thing, their alarm.
The Texas Chainsaw Massacre people.
Yeah. Or Jason, or Freddy Cougar, or whoever. And what happened? That's what it kind of reminds me of, though, doesn't it, you?
A patch of sunflowers? I mean,
No, because it's in the middle, it's in trees and shit, shoot stuff.
Yes. Okay, well, we have driven to fairly close to the geocache. We're about 90 feet away right now, and seeing a group of trees over here. I think maybe it might be in. Let's go see if we can find it. I don't know what we're looking for here. A hint. Looking for a cache in an opposite of needle in the haystack near the base. Looking for a cache in an opposite of needle in the haystack near the base. I don't know what that first part means, but it's probably down low. 32 feet away. Right. Seeing anything yet?
How many feet?
25 feet.
Right here.
What? You get it? Oh, we got here. Yeah, we found a little geocache. Let's see what's inside here, baby. Time to sign the logbook. Good job. Good go. Okay, it was last found on July 15th of this year. Today is the 28th of August. All right. I'm going to put the logbook back in here. I'll let you seal it back up. And then we got to put it back where we found it. Somebody else can come find it next time. Job, baby.
Thank you.
Woo!
That's exciting. At least we found it.
All right. Well, Tanea got her first geocache found. I don't think we're going to get all 4 of them found out here at Box Butte, but we gave it a shot. So thanks everybody for coming with us, and yeah, I hope we showed you a little something about geocaching, and look forward to seeing you on the next adventure.